Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome to Infinite Manifestations, where the universe unfolds its secrets and whispers its wisdom to those who dare to listen. Always remember, repetition is key. Today, we embark on a journey beyond the confines of time and space, delving into the boundless realms of numerology to unlock the mysteries of life path 1 in the year 2024. As fellow travelers of the cosmos, we are called to unravel the enigmatic essence of the number 1, uncovering its hidden treasures and guiding principles that hold the key to your ultimate fulfillment and greatness. So, take a deep breath, open your heart, and prepare to ignite the spark of your destiny as we embark on this captivating exploration together. Numerology is a metaphysical system that assigns meaning to numbers and their influence on various aspects of life, including personality traits, relationships, career paths, and life events. It is based on the belief that numbers hold symbolic significance and can provide insights into the deeper workings of the universe and our individual journeys within it. Your life path number is one of the most important aspects of numerology. It is derived from your date of birth and represents the core essence of who you are and the path you are destined to walk in this lifetime. By reducing your birth date to a single-digit number, numerologists can uncover the key themes, challenges, and opportunities that you are likely to encounter throughout your life. Understanding your life path number can offer valuable insights into your personality, strengths, weaknesses, and life purpose. It can help you make informed decisions, navigate challenges with greater clarity, and align your actions with your deepest desires and aspirations. Your life path number serves as a guiding light, illuminating the path towards self-discovery, personal growth, and fulfillment. By embracing the wisdom of numerology and exploring the significance of your life path number, you can unlock the secrets of your soul and embark on a journey of transformation and empowerment. As we journey together on the path of self-discovery and empowerment, we are thrilled to announce a special celebration in honor of almost reaching the incredible milestone of 10K subscribers. To express our gratitude for your unwavering support and commitment to growth, we are hosting another exciting giveaway. Win another free numerology reading. Here's how you can participate and stand a chance to win. 1. Like and share this video to spread the love and positivity. 2. Subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for more inspiring content. 3. Leave a comment below with your life path number, as revealed by the sacred art of numerology. By participating in this giveaway, you not only join us in celebrating this momentous occasion, but also take a meaningful step toward unlocking the secrets of your soul and embracing your unique journey. Thank you for being an integral part of our cosmic community. Together, we illuminate the path toward infinite possibilities and boundless fulfillment. Good luck to all participants, and may the universe shower you with blessings beyond measure. Now, let's delve deeper into the concept of the divine blueprint for life path number 1. In the realm of numerology, life path 1 is often seen as the epitome of beginnings, leadership, and innovation. Think of it as the cosmic architect, laying the foundation upon which your journey unfolds. When you're born under this number, you inherit a unique set of traits and qualities that are akin to being handed a map with endless possibilities. Life path 1 individuals possess an innate sense of courage and determination, driving them to fearlessly chart their own course in life. They possess a pioneering spirit that thrives on breaking new ground and pushing boundaries. It's as if they carry a divine mandate to lead, inspire, and create change wherever they go. In essence, life path 1 serves as a reminder that you are the master of your destiny, equipped with all the tools and talents needed to manifest your dreams into reality. As we navigate through the year 2024, the energy surrounding life path 1 pulses with a renewed sense of purpose and clarity. It's a time for embracing your innate power and stepping into your divine mission with unwavering conviction. Trust in your instincts, honor your intuition, and allow yourself to be guided by the whispers of the universe. Remember, you are destined for greatness, and the cosmos is conspiring in your favor to help you fulfill your highest potential. So, embrace the journey that lies ahead, knowing that every step you take is a sacred dance with destiny. Allow yourself to be guided by the wisdom of your soul, and trust that the universe has a grand plan in store for you. With courage in your heart and vision in your eyes, you have the power to shape your reality and create a life that is truly extraordinary. While Life Path 1 individuals possess an abundance of leadership qualities, innovation, and a pioneering spirit, one potential challenge they may face is the pressure to constantly be in control and achieve perfection. With their strong desire for success and achievement, there can be a tendency to set exceedingly high standards for themselves and others, which can lead to feelings of frustration or disappointment when things don't go according to plan. In the fast-paced world of 2024, where change is constant and unpredictability is the norm, Life Path 1 individuals may find it challenging to adapt to unexpected circumstances or relinquish control when necessary. They may struggle with letting go of rigid expectations and embracing the inherent fluidity of life. Moreover, the relentless drive for success and accomplishment can sometimes overshadow the importance of self-care and personal well-being. Life Path 1 individuals may find themselves neglecting their own needs in pursuit of their goals, leading to burnout or feelings of exhaustion. To overcome these challenges, it's essential for Life Path 1 individuals to cultivate self-awareness and practice self-compassion. Learning to embrace imperfection and relinquish control when needed can foster greater resilience and flexibility in navigating life's twists and turns. Additionally, prioritizing self-care and setting boundaries to ensure a healthy work-life balance is crucial for sustaining long-term success and fulfillment. By finding harmony between ambition and self-care, Life Path 1 individuals can unlock their full potential and thrive in the dynamic landscape of 2024. Life Path 1 individuals have the innate ability to transform challenges into opportunities for growth and empowerment. Here are some strategies to convert their challenges into positive outcomes. Embrace flexibility. Instead of resisting change or clinging to rigid plans, cultivate a mindset of flexibility and adaptability. View unexpected circumstances as opportunities for innovation and creative problem solving. By remaining open to new possibilities, you can discover hidden pathways to success that you may not have previously considered. Practice self-compassion. Be kind to yourself and acknowledge that it's okay to not have everything figured out all the time. Allow yourself to make mistakes and learn from them, rather than being overly critical or judgmental. Remember that imperfection is a natural part of the human experience, and each setback is an opportunity for growth and self-discovery. Set realistic expectations. While ambition and drive are admirable qualities, it's important to set realistic expectations for yourself and others. Recognize that perfection is an unrealistic standard, and focus instead on progress and growth. Break down larger goals into smaller, manageable steps, and celebrate each milestone along the way. Prioritize self-care. Make self-care a non-negotiable priority in your daily routine. Carve out time for rest, relaxation, and activities that nourish your mind, body, and soul. Whether it's practicing mindfulness, engaging in physical exercise, or spending quality time with loved ones, investing in your well-being will replenish your energy and enhance your resilience in the face of challenges. Seek support. Don't hesitate to reach out for support when you need it. Whether it's seeking guidance from a mentor, confiding in a trusted friend, or enlisting the help of a professional coach or therapist, surrounding yourself with a supportive network can provide valuable perspective and encouragement during difficult times. By adopting these strategies, Life Path 1 individuals can harness the power of their challenges to fuel personal growth, resilience, and ultimately success. Remember, every obstacle you encounter is an opportunity for transformation and empowerment. Trust in your innate abilities and embrace the journey with courage and determination. In the realm of Life Path 1, manifestation isn't just a possibility. It's an inherent gift waiting to be embraced. As we journey through the landscape of 2024, the cosmic energies are aligning in your favor, weaving a tapestry of synchronicities and opportunities designed to propel you toward your wildest dreams. This year, the universe itself conspires to support your endeavors, inviting you to harness the power of positive intention and unwavering belief. With every thought, every action, you possess the extraordinary ability to materialize your deepest desires with grace and ease. Remember, you are not merely a bystander in the unfolding drama of existence. You are the master architect of your destiny, wielding the brush to paint your reality with vivid hues of possibility. And as you embark on this journey of creation, remember to heed the lessons of the universal year number 8, as explored in my forthcoming video. For in understanding the energetic currents of this powerful year, you gain invaluable insight into navigating the ebbs and flows of abundance, prosperity, and success. So, dare to dream big, dear soul, for the universe eagerly awaits your next masterpiece. As we come to the end of our journey together, dear Life Path 1, I want to take a moment to remind you of the incredible power that resides within you. You are a beacon of light, a trailblazer, and a visionary leader. Embrace your uniqueness, your strength, and your innate ability to manifest your dreams into reality. Remember, every challenge you face is an opportunity for growth, every setback a stepping stone to success. Stay true to yourself, trust in the wisdom of the universe, and never doubt the extraordinary potential that lies within you. As you continue along your path, know that you are not alone. You have a community of fellow seekers and kindred spirits supporting you every step of the way. And if you ever need guidance or inspiration, remember to check out my videos on infinite manifestations. Whether you're seeking to unlock the secrets of the universe, harness the power of manifestation, or navigate the energetic currents of the universal year number 8, I'm here to help you on your journey. So, go forth with confidence, courage, and an open heart. The world is yours to explore, and the possibilities are endless. Believe in yourself, trust in the universe, and never forget that you are destined for greatness. Until we meet again, may your path be blessed with love, light, and boundless joy. Be open to receiving, and I hope to see you in my future.